Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I will share with you how I make my chicken gizzardo and dry plantain, so keep watching. Okay, to prepare this gizzardo with plantain, all these are what I will be using to prepare it. Over here I have the washed and clean gizzard. I also have green, yellow and red bell pepper, onion, tomato and habanero pepper. I have 3 plantain, oil for frying, seasoning cube and salt, curry powder, thyme and ginger powder. Okay, to cook the gizzard, I'll add some salt, half of the nut cube, seasoning cube, garlic powder, curry powder, thyme. Now I'll add my onion. I will mix everything together. Right now I will not be adding any liquid. I will allow it to produce its own liquid. I will then cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, here it has been cooking for 10 minutes. Can you see all the liquid, all the juice it brought out? I will add water and continue cooking until they are done. And here I have our pepper, tomato, onion. I will be blending them all together. So to my clean plantain, I will now go ahead and peel it and cut it. This is the way I cut it. Okay, we have our gizzard ready. I will keep it aside and start frying the plantain firstly. And when it's done, I will take it out and repeat the same process till I'm done with the whole plantain. And here I have it. I will also go ahead and fry the cooked gizzard. And when they are ready, I will also take them out and reserve them for later use. Now I will start frying the tomato and the pepper. So now I will add my onion. I will add the pepper blend. And I will stir everything together, cover and allow it to fry. Okay, now that our sauce is well fried, I will go ahead and add a little curry powder, thyme, and half of the remaining knorr cube, and also salt to taste. And now I will go ahead and add our gizzard. I will add some stock we got from cooking of the gizzard. I will now be adding our fried plantain. So I will just cover it and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes in a low heat. So now I will add the green, yellow and red bell pepper. And lastly, some spring onion. I will cover, and after 2 minutes our gizzardo is ready. I want the bell peppers to be a little crunchy. So that is it for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it. Share this video to your family and loved ones. Until we see you next time, remain blessed. Bye bye.